finally time. Let's go into Dreamworks Land. You guys ready? Looks like Shrek is in here today. This looks so much like Shrek's cabin. I mean, let's try it. Let's go to Shrek's Swamp for Little Ogres and do Pinocchio's fact check. There's the man of the hour himself. Gotta ring the bell for Pinocchio's service.
Shrek will be so happy to see all you little ogres. Oops! Excuse me! Fairy Godmother must have cast a spell on me! You would think a swamp would be more human! But this is lovely!
This is so cool how they made this.
Hold on, I want to get videos.
The old Woody Woodpecker coaster. Now the Troller coaster. And with what replaced the old Curious George Goes to Town play area is now Poe's Kung Fu Training Camp.
Yeah.
So, Mom,
Mr. Ping's Noodle Caboodle. Let's meet up with Poe.
Noodles and new recruit. Okay, you guys like totally snuck up on me. You guys must be the new recruits. Wow, Master Shiba's gonna be so thrilled that you guys are here. Oh wow, I mean, look at you. A little warrior in the bright orange shirt. Oh my goodness, wow, I didn't see you from space. Oh man, I like the you got a dinosaur on your shirt there? That's pretty cool. All right. Yeah. What? Oh, you got Nike. You got Nike. He's got a dinosaur. I don't even know what Nike is, but I mean, that's cool. All right. There's a lot of you here. This is awesome. This is going to be fantastic. Well, welcome everybody. I, of course, am Poe, the Dragon Warrior.
I'm really blown away by how well they did this. This is such a major retheme. And well done too, right? And let's go inside Mama Luna's. That way Ashley can play with all the cats that are there. So we enjoyed and partaked in the awesomeness. That was our trip into the new Dreamworks Playland. That's a lot of fun. It's a great retheme from the old Kidzone. So you guys, if you like what we do, like, comment, and subscribe, and hey, see you guys next time.